Minkejja li għad għandha biss 30 sena, Hewitt diġà daret id-dinja, ikkollaborat mal-aqwa artisti u għal diversi drabi għamlet tasal quċċata ta' charts tal-mużika fl-Ewropa. Net News iltaqa' ma' Emma ftit sigħat biss wara li ritornat f'pajjiżna biex flimkien ma' DJ lokali Klejsi taw spettaklu f'Ġampula. Staqsejnija dwar il-karriera tagħha s'issa.
It's been very, very interesting, very fun, very challenging at times. A lot of ups and downs, a lot of traveling, a lot of great people. But yeah, I appreciate every moment of it. It's definitely not easy. I mean, it is fun to get to do what you love because when you do what you love, you don't work. You're just enjoying every moment of it. But it is very challenging and very hard. Sometimes we don't sleep for days at a time with traveling, and also just the constant pushing yourself and having doors closed in your face.
Is traveling fun anymore?
It is. I still love traveling. I love it. And I actually enjoy getting on the plane. That's the time for me where I'm like, okay, no one can contact me, no emails, watch a movie, drink a glass of wine. It's chill time. I like it.
Matul is-snin Emma kellha kollaborazzjonijiet ma' artisti internazzjonali bħal Armin van Buuren, Dash Berlin, Cosmic Gate u Gareth Emery fost oħrajn. Imma li huma l-artisti favoriti tagħha?
Oh, it's hard to say, and some of them might kill me for picking one, but no, I really can't pick one because I really love a lot of the guys that I've worked with. But Dash Berlin has always been amazing. Cosmic Gate are two of the greatest guys that ever lived. I love them to death.
Din ma kienx l-ewwel darba li Emma ġiet f'pajjiżna, iżda titkellem magħna b'entużjażmu li kellha l-opportunità li tirritorna.
I love Malta. It's so beautiful. I mean, what's not to love? It's just such a spectacular looking place, and the people are amazing and just so friendly and so welcoming, and have always been really supportive of the music, which I really appreciate. Also, the food here is fantastic.
Bis-suċċess fil-karriera tagħha, Emma kellha tħalli l-Awstralja biex tgħix f'Miami u tkun eqreb għad-dinja tal-ispettaklu. Minkejja l-isfidi kollha li din il-bidla ġib magħha twassal messaġġ importanti għal dawk li jaspiraw li jirnexxu fl-industrija.
I grew up in a very small town in Australia where everybody thought you can't make it, you can't get out of this tiny town where I was. So I just think that if you believe in what you do and you just never give up and you keep writing music and producing music and send it to everyone, and just when they say no, just keep pushing until it's not over, until you succeed.
Net News kellem ukoll ma' Klejsi, id-DJ li kellu l-opportunità jdoq fl-istess serata ma' Emma li kienet f'pajjiżna grazzi għal Fame Music Events u one-off events. U kollu wassal messaġġ ta' kuraġġ lil żgħażagħ oħra.
Bdejt disatejt minn bedroom DJ u bħala hobby, imma rnexxieli bix-xogħol li dejjem għamiltu hemm minn fih nasal saw illum il-ġurnata. Nixtieq ngħid il min jixtieq bħal speċi għadu żejru jixtieq ikollu karriera li qatt ma jaqta' qalbu, dejjem jirsisti.
Fi żmien ftit ġimgħa oħra, Hewitt u Gareth Emery mistennija joħorġu kanzunetta ġdida bejniethom.